This video will show the installation process of the Asure ID Credentials Personalization System. Once the installer is downloaded, it will run as administrator. Click on Next. Terms and conditions are accepted and then Next. In the printer section, leave it at None and click Next. The installation location will be displayed. Click Next. The program has been installed. Now the activation will proceed using the provided license key. If the activation is not carried out, the program has a trial period in which the printout will come out with a watermark that will say trial. Clicking on Activate will open a tab in which the following data will be entered: name, email, company, country, printer model and the license key. Then click on Online Activation. The program will communicate with the servers on the internet to activate. The license level will change from trial to the purchased version based on the license key, and a license activated successfully message will be displayed. Then, the program will open. Go to the Options menu and in the License section you will see the key used and the license level acquired. To use the program, consult the user manual of the Asure ID or watch the video on the use of the program. Regards.